हाय एवरीवन। सो आपने कई सारे जानवरों को अपने घावों को चाटते हुए देखा होगा और इसका मुख्य कारण है सलाइवा यानी लार। 99% पानी होता है, तो वो पानी बेसिकली घावों को साफ सफाई के लिए जरूरी है। बट 1% जो कंपोनेंट है उसमें कई सारे एंटीबैक्टीरियल कंपोनेंट जैसे कि लाइसोजाइम, जैसे कि इंटरफेरॉन गामा और एंटीबॉडी इम्यूनोग्लोबुलिन ए, जो नॉन स्पेसिफिक इन्नेट इम्यूनिटी प्रदान करता है और किसी भी प्रकार के फर्दर इन्फेक्शन को घावों पर रोकता है। अब बात करते हैं यूपीएससी सिविल सर्विसेज मेंस जियोलॉजी में आए क्वेश्चन की। व्हाट आर वेरियस टाइप्स एंड फंक्शंस ऑफ सैलिवरी ग्लैंड। ओरल कैविटी और बक्कल कैविटी in human or mammals plays important role in nutritional physiology. It is important because of 4 pairs of salivary glands. Secretion of these glands helps in easy swallowing of food. The 4 pairs of salivary gland includes: first is parotoid salivary gland, which is largest, present below and in front of ear. Second is submaxillary salivary gland, medium size, present at angles of lower jaw. Third is sublingual, smallest, present below the tongue. Its duct is called Rabinus duct. Last is infraorbital. It is absent in case of human but present in rabbits. So parotid salivary gland has a duct called Stenson's duct, which opens near second molar. Submandibular salivary gland has Wharton's duct. Coming on now to the functions of salivary gland. Basically, the mucus and water secretion helps in lubrication of buccal mucosa, makes speech possible, makes swallowing of food possible. Second is enzyme secretion. Chief enzyme secreted from parotoid salivary gland is alpha salivary amylase, which helps in 30% of starch digestion in the buccal cavity itself. Starch in presence of alpha salivary amylase gives maltose, isomaltose, limit dextrin. Alpha salivary amylase is also called tidine. Third is electrolyte along with mucus provides acidic nature to bolus. Last stage, there are certain immunological components, antibacterial lysozyme, antiviral, that of interferon gamma, the non-specific innate immunity antibody IgA. About 1.5 liter of saliva with pH 6.7 is secreted daily in human on stimulation of parasympathetic innervation, while sympathetic innervation reduces secretion. Chloride ion is required for salivary gland activation, and mump is viral infection of salivary gland. One thing that I want to add is saliva is rapidly replacing blood because for the diagnosis purpose of various kinds of wide array of diseases, and it has shown its tremendous potential during COVID-19. It is non-expensive, non-invasive, and in many respects very much convenient to collect. So in case of diagnosis of diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, cancers, and various other kind of wide array of diseases, saliva is rapidly replacing blood. Thank you so much.